Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll take a look at the center move feature in EasyEDA, which helps you adjust object position more accurately in PCB layout. First, in the PCB editor, select the component or graphic you want to move. You can click to select a single object or drag to select multiple objects. Then right-click on the selection and choose Move. Move by center point, or simply press the M key. Now the object will move based on its center point. As you can see, my cursor is aligned with the exact center of the component, and I don't need to keep the mouse button pressed. The component follows the cursor smoothly and precisely. Let's compare this with the normal move method. When you click and drag the component, you'll notice it's not as accurate when positioning. Whether you are moving a single component or multiple objects, center move helps keep everything aligned and symmetrical. It's especially useful for fine-tuning layouts, such as centering modules, creating symmetrical designs, or making small position adjustments, and it can really improve both accuracy and efficiency in PCB layout. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.